With over 2 billion, with a B, 2 billion active users, YouTube has turned into a very powerful tool that you can use for more than just watching funny cat videos. Indeed, here I will show you how you can use YouTube to learn Spanish beyond the video tutorials and online classes that you can find in this platform. Vamos a empezar. First, you need to open up our YouTube channel. So you can look for the Spanish Learning Club on YouTube and you will find our homepage, and do it from a desktop or a laptop. Don't do it from a mobile device because it's going to be more complicated. So once you find our homepage on YouTube, the Spanish Learning Club, you go to our playlist. In our playlist, you will find Spanish with subtitles. You click on Play All, and you'll be taken to our first video with Spanish subtitles. In this case, we have La Risoterapia podcast with Spanish subtitles. This audio has Spanish subtitles that will help you read what you are listening to so that you can find out what words you are missing, etc., etc. But there is another cool feature that I want to mention before I go ahead with the subtitles, and that's the speed of the video. You can click on this gear, on this button settings here, and go to playback speed, and you can move it from normal to slower speed at 0.75, at 0.5, 0.25, which means that the video will go slower and the pronunciation in the video will go slower as well. I suggest that you go up to 0.75 because if you go lower, the pronunciation will sound kind of weird. It will sound like the person talking is drunk or something like that. So my suggestion will be listen to the audio at a normal speed first and then listen to it at a slower speed just in case you feel like you have missed something. Okay? Then once you practice with the speed, you can also do something else here. You can go to this same gear, okay? And here under subtitles, you can activate Spanish subtitles. You click here and there you go. So this is what the person is saying on the video. La risoterapia y los beneficios de reír, etc., etc. You can click play and you'll see that the person is talking and this text is going to start to change. Okay? Now you might think that, oh, these subtitles are not looking the way I would like. So you can change the view of the subtitles. You go to subtitles again. Let me show you one more time. You go to subtitles, Spanish, and you go to options. And here you can change the colors. For example, you don't want them blue anymore. You want them yellow. You change them to yellow. Oh, the background is white. So you can change it to background color. You can change it to blue. And there you go. Or maybe, let's see, what? No, not white, but black. Boom. Black background, yellow letters. Good. Now the size might be too big for you or too small for you. You can change it here in font size. 400, you can go to 200 or 100 or 50%. Okay. I will leave it at 150. That looks good. Okay, you can change the font size here. So once you get the size and the colors that you want for your subtitles, you can just push play and listen to the audio and read the subtitles here. But now let's go to what we want to achieve here. Okay, I'll push pause. What you want to do is go down to the area where you see the like, dislike buttons, share, etc. First, you have to click on the like button. Once you click on the like button, then you go to the three dots here and click on open transcripts. Okay, one more time. Like, dislike, share, save, three dots, open transcripts. You click here and you will have the script of the video, the subtitles here all together. The cool thing here is that you can click on any of these lines, and the video will be taken to the specific part that you click on. For example, here, a nivel psicológico, la risa, la la la. Clicking there, and I have been taken to that part in the video. I will click play, and there we go. A nivel psicológico, la risa. You cannot hear the audio, I guess, because I'm recording the screen on my computer, but you can play around in case you want to review the pronunciation of something very specific. You can find it here on the text, clicking here, and boom, you're taken to that part. Okay? Now, once you have this text, you can do something else. You can just highlight everything here. Okay, as I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight everything all the way down to the bottom of the text up to here, and then Control C or copy, and I will paste it on a Word document. Boom. And now you can also do this here for more space, and you have the transcript, the text of a video. You can play around and give it more format, right? Change it, and you can modify the text here, etc., etc., etc. But once you have this text, you can print this out and read the piece of paper that you have in your hand and listen to the audio here. Once you have this piece of paper, you can work with it. You can highlight the words you don't know. You can take notes. You can write down some meanings, etc., etc., and then play the audio and read your notes, read the printouts, and practice once or twice until you identify the meaning of the new words, and then play this video again without your notes so that you can test yourself. The goal is to play the audio of the video, and this is what you can do in your mobile device. You can play the audio of the video, and as you listen to it, you understand every single thing that the person is saying on the video. That's what you can do on your that part you can do in your mobile device, in your tablet, etc., etc. And then the final step will be to use it. What you learned from these videos, you need to start to use it. I am sure this technique can help you not only to retain more words in Spanish, but also to practice your listening and review the right pronunciation of some words. So, after you have a list of new words, you know what they mean, you know the pronunciation, it's on you to start using those words over and over and over again. The more you practice, the easier it gets, the more fluency you gain. So now go ahead, copy the transcripts that you have in our videos and print them out and start learning more Spanish, and let me know in the comments below if it works for you and how did it help you. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao.